It has its last presentation, and that goes to the supporters of the club for being so committed, and incredible. I love support of the great club. So nice presentations to the supporters. That's what's about to happen over now. High sense presentation to our supporters. So let's have the leaders of the supporters. Let's have the leaders. For the presentation. Let's have the leaders. Let's have the leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the leaders of the place for the presentation from High Sense. What about TV set? You need a High Sense. Commissioner, you need High Sense. What about phones? You need High Sense. I don't know about high sense, right? Too much of high sense. So we're looking for the last presentation, and that goes to the supporters of Kumasi Sandagogo. That done by High Sense. Let's get a representative from the supporters unit, from the cyclists unit. All right, what's up? Ladies and gentlemen, come, let's go, come. I don't know.